Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is share with y'all some updates that I've made to my trucking company business plan template for 2024. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the trucking company business plan template and I'll share with y'all some of the updates that I've made for the coming year. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this full presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, and owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all need some assistance in writing your business plan, you don't want to mess around with templates, you don't want the growth opportunities of writing your plan, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I also offer business mentoring services. Some of the topics that I cover in my business mentoring may be understanding financials, creating strategic plans, executing plans, or just about any topic that you can think of in regards to your business. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for business and finance. So if you need those financial projections done, you've got your business plan ready to go, but those financials are causing you some heartache, don't worry, don't stress. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Again, be delighted to assist in creating your financial projections, whether they are standalone or included in a plan. All right, let's move on with our template. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the updates that I've made to my trucking company business plan template. So the first update that I made is I added a logo, and the logo was generated from ChatGPT. And I just went over to ChatGPT, asked it for a logo for a trucking company, and they gave me a sleek design for a semi-truck. And what I did is I just inserted that logo into my trucking company template. And so now the first page starts off with trucking company. So whatever your trucking company name is, you'll just put it right at the top. You'll put your logo or keep this logo here. And then underneath is business plan, letting the reader know what the document's all about. The second update that I made was to the services offered section. And again, I used artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and I plugged in my previous writings for all the possible services that I can think of for long distance hauling. And I had it reworded, updated, optimize the wording for each service provided. So for example, if you specialize in refrigerated freight hauling, then you would just delete all these other services, and then you can just start off with your services offered, freight hauling, and just add more information to that. So yeah, this second update is again using artificial intelligence, and it's short, sweet, to the point, but it also offers you opportunities to expand upon it as well. And then finally, the third update that I made for my trucking company business plan template is for industry research. As we all know, every business plan out there, anyone that's going to be written that's worth its salt, needs industry research. So what I did is I went to my IBIS World account, and as we all know, IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. I obtained their latest report for long distance freight hauling, and then I went ahead and extrapolated important aspects of the industry research, and I plugged that into my business plan template. So I've updated the revenues, the profits, profit margins, number of businesses, number of employees in the industry, and then wages as well. So now my trucking company business plan template is updated for industry research for 2024. All right, so hopefully these updates are going to be helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.